I remember it was September, and I had a little kind of putting green for grass, and when I would do my yard work, my hand would shake. And I of course thought it was the heat, because obviously extreme heat in Arizona. And then I noticed my arm wasn't swinging when I was walking, and I went to a general neurologist. It felt like she told me within 5 minutes. And I'm at this doctor's office by myself, and it's just like, you're out of your mind. You are out. You haven't even asked me anything about me. You know, you're just doing the tap, 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 draw a circle kind of thing, walk up and down the hallway, and it's like, yep, you've got it. It's not like when you're that young that you're thinking a neurological disorder, an incurable neurological disorder. So I don't really remember the conversation, but I do remember I was so grateful that the sun was stinging on my skin when I walked out of the Mayo Clinic, because it was something familiar. Because it felt like a bomb was just dropped in my lap. And I had to call my mom in Omaha, Nebraska, and tell her I had Parkinson's.
She's such a determined woman. She fights for what she wants. She's accomplished a lot in her career life. And her fight and determination with illnesses has amazed me for the courage that she has.
Brain diseases really represent the last frontier of health that we need to solve. 1 in 3 people worldwide, that's over 3 billion people, suffer from some form of neurologic condition. The societal need is huge. It's getting bigger. So we have to have a different approach to trying to make advances and accelerate our understanding and treatment of disease. Brain Health Accelerator is a new moonshot initiative focused on human brain health and disease. It's really intended as a global research consortium spearheaded by the Allen Institute. The scope of this problem really requires us to have larger coordinated efforts. Currently, Alzheimer's disease is one funding set of organizations, and Parkinson's is a different, and ALS is a different one. What we're trying to do here is to bring these different parts of the field together.
The ultimate goal is to learn as much as we can, as fast as we can, about neurodegenerative disease, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, Huntington's, ALS. That will then accelerate our ability to develop experiments, to develop potential drugs, to develop potential interventions that will ultimately slow the process, prevent the process, or even cure these diseases. That's the ultimate goal.
There's really a clear path now from being able to understand disease at the level of component circuits and cells and treat disease at the level of its component circuits and cells, because we have the tools to do that.
Yeah. Up a hook right. Put the hook right. Yeah. Under.
I found someone here that did neurological rehabilitation or physical therapy. And he's like, we're gonna box. I'm like, I don't know how to box. Because you don't have to. And being able to physically hit something, to feel stronger, to feel great. I mean, I'm no Muhammad Ali, but for an hour I feel like I am. I feel like I'm the champ.
It's really exciting to me that we have Parkinson's disease as part of the Brain Health Accelerator. In many ways, Parkinson's connects the other diseases because it affects both motor and cognitive.
This is just an astonishing advance that was really stimulated by the NIH Brain Initiative. And it presents an opportunity now to think of diseases as diseases of cell types in the brain and selective vulnerability of different kinds of cells that happen in sequence. If you have this kind of reference, you can now start to map disease trajectories. You can start to understand the types of cells and genes that are affected over the course of disease. And it brings the resolution that has been typically only found in the space of model organisms now to the human brain.
Well, I'm in awe of the scientists and the people that dedicate their lives to help individuals such as my daughter and many, many others going through the same thing.
We've got to figure out what we're going to do with these brain disorders and how we can better help patients live the healthiest, most productive life they can. We have to.
I think that we're really going to start to see new treatments come from this, and in particular the cell and circuit level therapies. It will take some time to find the right targets and to find the right patient populations, but I think that in the space of this project, we will actually begin to see a transformation.
This is the right time, this is the right place. This couldn't happen 5 years ago. Now is the time, and Brain Health is really taking advantage of the opportunity with these technologies, with the expertise, with the resources, with the community. It's going to be very, very special.